Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by putting the controller into pairing mode so the phone can see it. This is critical because Pubg Mobile reads controllers as input devices only after pairing. Once the LED blinks, open Bluetooth settings and tap the controller name. Make sure you disconnect headphones or speakers first, since multiple active devices can confuse the phone. After pairing, Confirm input appears in Android or iOS settings. This tells you the OS recognized the controller, and you can move into game mapping. You now configure inside Pubg Mobile so the controls behave predictably. Open Settings and choose Controller, then toggle Controller Support on. Pubg only activates hardware input when this is enabled. Select a profile that matches your controller type and use the Customize option to drag and drop actions. Aim, fire, reload into comfortable positions. Take a minute to test in training mode. This lets you feel latency and adjust sensitivity, which is why calibration matters before you jump into ranked matches. You finish by testing everything in the practice range to verify full functionality. Check triggers, joysticks, and D-pad so no surprises occur mid-game. If a button fails, repair the controller or restart your phone to clear temporary Bluetooth issues. Make sure firmware is current on the controller and on the phone OS. Outdated firmware often causes dropped inputs. If problems persist, switch to a wired connection or change Bluetooth mode, because that usually resolves intermittent lag or mapping conflicts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.